This is extended version of free food you can eat on Spectrum of the Seas, with even more pro tips.
Stay till the end for a surprise song.
1. Windjammer Marketplace Buffet. Cue to get just the right amount on your plate.
2. Main dining room. Sit at table and food will be served to you. Order from menu. There is starter, main course, and dessert. Yes, you can have a second dessert for free. After that, have some fruits and hot coffee or tea to finish off your meal.
3. Hot dog from Seaplex Doghouse.
4. Pizza from Sorrento's. Tip: you can bring the pizza back to your cabin.
5. Cookie and cake from La Patisserie. Tip: supper is sometimes served at La Patisserie, and yes, you can bring a bowl or two back to your cozy cabin to eat.
6. Sprinkle soft serve ice cream at pool deck.
7. Order room service for breakfast before you sleep. Here's a tip: keep your yogurt in the mini fridge till you are ready to eat it. Another tip: if you want egg and pancake, head to Windjammer to get your fix.
8. Savor delicious meals at cafe at $2.70.
You need to pay to eat at the following restaurants. 1. Sichuan Red.
2. Izumi Japanese cuisine.
3. Teppanyaki.
4. The Hotpot.
5. Leaf and bean.
6. Jamie's Italian restaurant.
7. Chops Grille.
8. Wonderland.
9. Splashaway Cafe. Thanks for watching. When it comes to food on Spectrum of the Seas,